Haha, just here with my homies who couldn't make it to this day, you know. This sound goes out to all y'all who couldn't make it to this sound.
Don't you forget about me. Don't.
I hope that you guys are having fun in the afterlife and, you know, just kicking it with God, the realest one, you know. So here's today's sound. See you tomorrow, guys. Keep living for the moment, because, you know, you don't know how long you're gonna be here.